guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Hazel from Hazel Hopes. Today I'm going to be trying out two products and I've not used them before. They're brand new out of the package and I am going to do it with you. Right, the first product is this BaByliss. It is a BaByliss, let me read it, volumized smooth salon blow dryer. This is the larger one. There's a 50ml barrel, ceramic coated barrel, and I think there's a 35 one as well. So I've gone for the bigger one because my hair's a little bit longer. And the brush is rotating here. So I'm going to be giving that a go. And I'm also going to be using this, which is the Colour Wow. You've probably seen this all over the place and I've not tried it out yet. Colour Wow. And it also acts as a heat protection for your hair as well. So I'm going to use this first. Got to apply it to soaking wet, clean, damp hair, and then you've got to use heat to activate it. So I want to see with the two products together if I can make this look nice. So please stay tuned. Hi guys, I'm back. Hair is wet and washed, clean, and so this is the first product that I'm using. Colour Wow Dream Coat. And it says it will last 3 to 4 washes and also you need heat to activate it. So I'm going to spray that all through my hair. Okay, so my hair's in sections. I've got the BaByliss machine. I haven't used it yet, apart from my hair's falling into it. It has like on and off, and then press this goes one way and that goes the other way. So let's give it a go. Okay, one thing I'd like to say is how many of you have tried to blow dry your hair and you've got the hair dryer and then you've got the hairbrush and you're literally like this and it's like you get aching arms. So this being 2-in-1, that's quite good. However, because it's got it rolls left with one button and it rolls right with the other button. So if your hair is long, it could potentially wrap around more than what it needs to, so you need to make sure you've pulled it down enough. Oh, you see that? There we go. So my prime objective was to dry my hair, and my hair has been dried. It took me about probably 15 minutes. Now, pros and cons. I would say pros is that you are only using one product as opposed to a hairbrush and a blow dryer. Second pro would be, I'm sure there's some footage on YouTube of actually how to use it and how to style and make certain styles, because you know, like there's a lot of big hair, like big hairstyles out at the moment. I mean, my hair is quite big anyway, so this isn't a hairstyle, this is more so just having dry hair. Another pro would be, I think the more you practice the better you'll get. I mean, that streak of white there, or grey, is quite dramatic, isn't it? But I don't think that's got anything to do with that. That's just me having that colour hair. Cons, is your hair could get tangled. And I reckon if you weren't confident with what you're doing, or you didn't act quick enough, you could probably get your hair tangled and have to cut it out. But I do think practice will help the product get better and to get better styles. Now, as for this product, which is supposed to act as a, I mean, my hairs are still quite thick. This one, sorry. It has got a shine. I mean, my hair's washed, so there is a shine. So it looks healthy, but I mean, I'm sure there's silicones and what have you. I can't, that writing's just so tiny, I can't even read that. But yeah, I mean, I'm not disputing the fact that there's probably silicones in there. But you know, my hair's clean, it feels nice, there's a bit of a shine to it right now. So yeah, I would definitely use this product again and give it a second chance. So thank you so much for joining me again here today, and thank you for helping me or joining me while I style blow dry my hair. I use the term style very loosely, but if you are new here, please do consider subscribing. It really helps little channels like mine to get out there a bit more, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care, bye.